Hey, welcome to round two of Triple Play Saturday. Now, I decided to give you some more free watch faces, so the last two rounds are going to be free watch faces. I hope you all really enjoyed the free watch faces yesterday. All right, with that being said, let's go ahead and kick this review off. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video and welcome to round two of Triple Play Saturday. Now, the name of the watch face that we have for you today that is free is called TagR Digital Xite. It's a 24-hour watch face. The 12 hours is a paid watch face. So, free is free and we all like free, right? Now, in the always on mode, you're going to get a plain but basic digital look. When the watch face is on, it looks a whole lot better. Now, if you look at it, it's an analog/digital watch face, which means you get the best of both worlds. You look up at the top, you're going to get info on your battery percentage, which I thought was nice and unique. You come down, you get the name of the watch face. I do like that bar that's going across the watch, and you also get a dial with the second hand that's going around. And you come all the way down to the bottom. Here's where all your info lies, your month, your day, your date. You also get info on your steps, also heart rate, and you get a digital time in 24 hours as well. This is not a bad look at all, but considering that this is free, you only get two colors and it's still not bad. So if I tap once, I can dim it. If I tap it again, it'll change to another color, which is blue. This is it. And this is all. All right, you all, I hope you enjoyed this freebie for the day. If you did, make sure you hit the like button on the way out. I'm going to say it again. Make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Enjoy, have a fun and safe weekend. And I'll see you all at the next video. Take care.